Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your GoFundMe donations in 2025 step by step. Let's dive right in. Once your GoFundMe dashboard, you'll see tabs like donations, transfer, and updates. To begin with withdrawal process, click on the transfer tab. Here we'll see a breakdown of your received donations. Keep in mind, new donation might appear as processing. It usually takes about 24 hours of them to be added to your current balance. You can only withdraw money that's available in the current balance. Now to set up, often you receive your payouts. You need to edit your payout frequency. By default, it's set to daily, meaning GoFundMe will send available funds at the end of each day. But if you prefer a different schedule like weekly or monthly, just click the drop down menu, make your selection, and hit save. For example, I personally prefer weekly payouts. That's the way if someone donates small amounts like USD2 or USD5, they get combined and sent every Monday. If you want to receive your donation once a month, say on the first, you can choose monthly and save your settings. Remember, you don't need to manually initiate each withdrawal. GoFundMe will automatically send the fund based on the schedule you choose. Before all of this, make sure you have already added your bank account details during your account setup. This is where the money will be sent, so double check that it is accurate. And one final tip, anytime you can change the payout schedule, don't forget to hit save to your save changes. Apply. And that is it. Now, how you know that, or withdraw your GoFundMe donations into a so easy way. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more tech guides and online fundraising tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.